Hey guys, so we will be finishing or we'll be continuing to talk about comparing and contrasting two texts. And now we're going to have to get into where we read more. And remember, I told you guys this was coming just to prepare you for third grade. So you should have read these two magazine articles about the same topic. So you should have read them and in your mind answer some of these questions I'm going to kind of put out there when I'm asking you. Where does the water we drink come from? Well, it comes from rivers or lakes or underground and from a tap. And tap is what you have in your house. That faucet, that's tap water. All right. And why is water important? Answer that. Why is water important? That's right. We need it to live and to stay healthy. Plants and animals need it. Um, And how can we make sure that we have clean water? What can you do to help make sure we have clean water? And I hope you said not to throw trash and garbage and things into rivers or lakes or even out the window because it can make its way there. And then what were both articles mostly about? What were both of these articles mostly about? That's right, it's talking about water. Where does it come from? Why is it important? Why we need it to teach people how to use it, or why we need to teach people how to use it wisely. Like, don't leave it running while you're brushing your teeth. That's wasting the water. Cut it off while you brush your teeth, and then cut it back on when it's time to rinse your toothbrush in your mouth. So after we read, you should have looked at the closed reader habits. This is why does the author think water is important? Underline a sentence that tells why water is important. So we're looking only at turn on the tap article right now. And if you look in paragraph 2, he talks about water is important. It says it right there. To people, we need it to live. All right, so now let's look at the next article and let's ask ourselves the same question. Underline a sentence. What does the author think people can do to protect the water? Underline a sentence that tells something that people can do. So I hope you've looked over and you're looking down in paragraph 4. Paragraph 4, it says some things that you can do. You can take shorter showers. Don't just stand in there and play or stand under the water. Don't leave the tap running when you don't need to, like brushing your teeth. And don't throw garbage into rivers or lakes. So that's 3 things right there that we can do to help. So let's go over now and start looking at our questions. Question 1 has 2 parts. Okay. What is the most important point in paragraph 2 of Turn on the Tap? We underlined it, didn't we? Yes, people need it to live. All right, so what's one sentence from paragraph 2 that supports the answer? You underline that, guy. So all you need to do is copy that. Oh, not we, water. Water is important to people. We need it to live. All right. So which important point is in both articles? Looking at these choices, which one was in both of the articles? And I hope you chose C, that we must protect our water. It was talking about that in both of them. So keep going on on the next page for number 3. It says, which important point is in fresh water but not in Turn on the Tap? And I hope after reading all your answer choices, you knew that D, everyone can help keep water safe. Now, 4 says circle 3 things. They have that in bold to make sure you understand that you can circle 3 things from the list below that the author of Freshwater says that we can do to keep our water pure. And we even underline these 3 things, right? We said don't throw garbage into rivers and lakes. Don't leave the tap running. And what was the third thing? Take shorter showers. What are both articles mostly about, and how are they different? How are they the same? So we're going to answer this question on 333. Stay tuned for part 2. You answer it. I'm going to come back and answer it, and then you can compare yours to mine. Okay?